All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Subscribe the Baldy Blogger at YouTube to see more.
สวัสดีค่ะ this is Pocky. Now we are in Choui Fong Tea Farm in Chiang Rai. Tea plantation have all around the mountain, the huge farm. So today we will fly the drone as well.
I did some drone footage, but it's got cut short because I got told off. Can't do drone footage anyway. I thought you'd be able to do drone footage here. I mean, what arm's it doing? And that guy's making more noise with the flipping stribber, look. I don't want to end up in a Thai prison, so that'd be me. I've just got to add a little bit in, because I've just came to get a cup of tea in the tea plantation. Everyone's getting their photos done, so I can't take anything anyway. We'll take this one. Welcome. Choui Fong. This is where we are. She's disappeared. She's out there posing. Please order here. Let's have a look, see what kind of tea we can get. These are all the teas. Red bean tea, Thai tea, jelly tea, green tea, iced tea, honey lemon, latte. No ginger tea. I want ginger tea and there isn't any. I'll have to get a honey latte. Iced Thai tea latte. Iced honey lemon. You don't get much in them though, it's full of ice normally where you go. Let's go see where Pocky is. Please, she's gone somewhere else. Oh, don't know where she's gone. I've lost her. Yeah, she's still out there doing videos of herself. Yeah, let's find the most Instagrammable place. She'll be there. Nope. Yeah, thought so. I was right. Hello. What are you doing here?
What?
I found you at the most Instagrammable place. That's where I found you. Yes, see, I knew.
First one is the...
No, I'm going to try tea now. The first one is...
Okay, the first one is
green tea. Alright, so this is Rosy Oolong tea. There we go.
How it says?
Tastes like tea. Cup and cap. This one is that stronger? They go in. They must be. That must be weaker. This one. That's cheaper. That one. So I think that one will be weaker than this one. If the prices are to reflect anything.
How it says?
Same. Thank you.
Different. เป็นอุหลงหอมมะลิค่ะส่วนหอมมะลิอุหลงหอมมะลิ
Homily.
osmanthus อุหลง tea.
It's an expensive one. This one. It's the dearest out of the three. So let's see if I can taste any difference. I'm not really a tea person.
This one very smell nice.
That's different to the rest.
Which one you like?
Lavender. That one.
You like the
I vote this one. That's my vote. Hop and cap.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you trying?
I have to try it.
You've been trying for years. Okay, we'll go and get a cat. Tea gift shop. All these different teas here. See, I'm no good to take you around this tea place because I don't know anything about tea. I don't even drink tea, apart from Yorkshire Blend and PG Tips and Tetley tea. That's it. That's me. Irene, I'm sure you could tell us a bit about tea. Maybe you should be here, not me. No, I was going to try green tea because they look pretty good, but each time I try, I don't like it, so there's no point really. Iced honey lemon. I'm getting iced honey lemon because I've got to try tea when I'm in a tea place. Well, there's tea leaf food. Okay, so this is what I got. I got honey and lemon tea. It's made from here, and another surprise. She's opening it already. Thai honey and lemon tea and Thai tea popcorn. So let me try a Thai tea popcorn. I'll get me home. I mean, I probably like Butterkiss better, but you know. That's actually not bad. Quite good. I approve, that's it. I approve. Baldy Vlog, the Baldy Vlogger approves. Oh, I found a new tea that I like. Honey and lemon. I've got to pay to go on this, look. Oh my God, they should pay me to go on this. Goodness me. So we're on the way to somewhere. Where are we on the way to? Where? We're on the way. Aihi, whatever Aihi is. We're on the way. Oh, look at the view here. Oh my goodness. Right, this. This must be a boring video for you guys. Just watching me sit here. I'm going to walk along here. Swadika. Oh my goodness. Hey! You see that maintenance fee what we're paying? They need to do some maintenance. Make it, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh. This doesn't feel very safe to me. I don't think this is for fat British people. Lucky I'm not fat then, eh? Right, so here we are. I'm going to do, I've got a guide here. She's always doing this, so I'm going to do it. Right, where are we? My name's Mark, the Baldy Vlogger, and I can take you on a tour. Right, hang on. Right. Here we are. Here we are. This is for Instagram and TikTok, so all I'll say is here we are. I don't even know where we are. Here we are. Subscribe the Baldy Vlogger YouTube to see more.
Sawadika, I am Pocky to go for tour. I will show you this place. จุดชมวิวบ้านปะกล้วยดอยตุง View point ปะกล้วย at ดอยตุง Very beautiful landscape here. And also here we can running. I am at the moon. You can stay here and chilling. You can make a tent on here. You can bring your tent and stay here. Pay for 10 to 200 baht. I bet you guys like it. See ya!
I'll let you see Pocky, the guide. She's going to say goodbye.